So this is the completed rabbit hutch. Like I said, cost me about maybe $25 to make. It's a pretty interesting design. Gives the rabbits plenty of room. And let me show you what it looks like. I've got it so you can just lift up this handle and easy access to feed the rabbits. Simple design, and it's really effective. I made it from ordinary pallets and about $4 worth of wood, and the rest is the fencing and the chicken coop. So it's pretty cool. Alright, so we're going to go inside and work on the title track for the film, and hopefully you'll learn a lot. Alright, King David, David and Goliath Music, beatclass.com. Okay, so here are the chords to the title song. I'm not going to release the name of the book and the film that I've been hired to write for, because just for promotional purposes, we're probably about 6 months away from completion, so we haven't done marketing yet. Here we go. Alright, so here are the chords. F major to B flat major to C. These are very popular chords. F major to B flat major to C major. And here's the change. F major, B flat major to C, and this is going to be A major to D minor to B flat, and then a C suspended, and then back to the F. Alright, last time. F, B flat, C, A, D minor, B flat major, C suspended. Okay? Alright, so I'm going to show it to you with the overhead, both hands as usual, and then I'll give you a little sample of how the song goes. Alright? Alright, King David, beatclass.com. Okay, King David, David Goliath Music. Now here are the chords with both hands. I'm going to spell it out, meaning I'm going to give you every single note in every single chord. Alright? We're going to start with an A. Actually, we're going to start with the F major chord. So F major is spelled F, A, C. Sounds like this played together. Now we're not going to play it that way. We're going to play in a different inversion. Invert means to change the order of. So we're going to play it this way. F, A, and C on the bottom. And then an F in the bass. That's our first chord. Second chord is going to be a B flat major. We're going to play it with a B flat in the bottom. D is going to be our next note. F, and another B flat. Let's put the two chords together. F major, B flat major. The next chord is going to be a C major chord. That's spelled C-E-G, and we'll play that exactly the way it's spelled. C, C-E-G. Let's put it all together. F-A-C, B flat D-F, C-E-G. Let's play that again. One more time. Here's our change. C major, and then we're going to go to A major, which is spelled A, C sharp, E. Okay, one more time. C major, down to A major, A, C sharp, E, and let's break it down slowly. A, C sharp, E, and we can add a G if we want. C major, A sharp, A major with the C sharp, D minor, D, F, A. Alright, let's do that one more time so it all makes sense. F major, B flat major, C major. Repeat. F major, B flat major, C major. One more time, repeat. F major, B flat major, C major, A major, D minor, D, F, A. It's a B flat major, and then the C suspended, which is, all you do is play a C, E, or a C, F, G, and then you move that F to the E. That's called a suspended chord. And then back to F. Okay, let's put it all together. Starting with the F major chord, B flat major to C. F major, repeat. It's a really triumphant song. This has to do with the big finale of the movie, and the two lead characters have explored, and I can give you just a little bit, they've explored all across the globe, and this is their triumphant moment. And so some of the lyrics, because not only am I writing the music, but I'm writing the lyrics and I'm orchestrating it, so it's not just going to be the piano score. We're going to have live orchestral instruments, brass, and everything else. So anyhow, here's the basic theme. The theme goes like this, because I'm still working on some of the lyrics. So somewhere we can leave it all behind, fly across the desert land or deep beneath the sea, go somewhere where we can be free. Oh, so that's my melody. Sure, we can leave it all behind, fly across the desert land or deep beneath the sea, go somewhere where you can be free. Oh. So it's a real positive energy, and again, this is the finale, the finish of the movie, and it's really going to be amazing when this thing hits the theaters. All right, King David Live Music. Make sure you sign up for a SAMMY program, which stands for Serious About My Music, y'all, over at guardiac.com. And if you want to get on a Skype 1-hour lesson, just go and sign up for it. One of my assistants will get you signed up, and I'll spend an hour with you personally online, teaching you chords, software, songwriting, vocals even though my vocals today sound a little bit different, but I'd be glad to help you out. My name is King David, David and Goliath Music Beat Class.com. Alright?